Good afternoon, parents. My name is Brandon Reeder, and I teach Gifted Algebra 1 and Math 7 here at Creighton Middle School. I'm so excited to have your student in my course this school year. Through this video, I hope you get a closer sense of what I expect and what actually is Algebra 1 and what is Math 7. Okay, on the screen here, I have a little bit about the course I teach, what to expect grade-wise, and some information about myself. I'm not gonna read the whole slide to you, but most importantly, I want you to know that I am always accessible for students and for you. Listed, I have my email and my contact information regarding my phone. I answer emails all the time. Please email me. Please, at any time, I will get back to you as soon as I can. I am a big proponent of communication with parents and teachers. Okay. For Algebra 1, again, I want to remind parents this is a high school credit course, meaning that the grades you earn at the end of the year will be on the high school transcript. That means it's important for students to actually take this seriously. That means coming to class, coming to RTI, asking for help. So far this school year, students are doing a really good job with coming for extra help and asking me questions. I'm very proud of them for advocating for their own learning. Each week, you should expect about 2 or 3 assignments that are formatives. So quizzes, quick checks, classwork that'll be graded in Power School. You expect a test about every week and a half to 2 weeks. And again, that'll be through Master Connect and we put on Power School. Assignments are given through Class Notebook and Teams, Microsoft Forms, Khan Academy, quizzes, Master Connect, and through Alex. We are doing an Alex requirement this school year. Students will be required to do 8 topics per weekend of Alex in my gifted class. This year, because of the pandemic, our school has changed our weighting for grades. 50% of our grades will be formatives, 50% will be summatives. Like last year, you can redo up to 3 summatives per quarter if they have less than a C on the summative. I average my redo with my original grades. So if students earn a 60 and then an 80 on the second time, you get a 70 for the new grade. Of course, grades are updated weekly on Power School. I do teach 4 classes, so it can get a little hectic with putting in grades, but I do try to put in grades as soon as I can. There is a textbook for this course called Envision Sabas Algebra 1. Students have access to that through their student menu. We don't use that textbook a lot, but if you want an additional resource to use, that is available for students as well. The online version is online. During phase 1 here at Creighton, we have RTI every week. Students can come to me between 2 and 3:45 for extra help during any day of the week. If they don't come during their assigned RTI block, they can message me and I can add it to their current day's class. Please encourage your child to come to RTI if they have any questions about anything I'm doing in class. For the ACE math class for 7th grade, similar grading. Again, minutes a week, some of them every 1.5 to 2 weeks. Same kind of assignments through Master Connect, Class Notebook, Forms, quizzes, Alex. This course, because it's not an ELC course, is just a regular math course. Students will take the SC Ready Math in the end of 7th grade. This is an integrated math course that is a continuation of things they learned last school year in Math 6. The textbook for this course is called Big Ideas, and that can be accessed through the Clever login for students. Okay, and as we go through the school year, we'll be using Clever more and more often as we proceed through the school year. Like I said, if you have any questions about anything I'm doing, anything about our course, let me know. These courses are aligned with Recent 1 pacing guides and are aligned with the Circle Standards for Mathematics, okay? Directly aligned. We're doing exactly what is prescribed for us. I know the algebra class can be a little bit challenging, but it's built that way. It's built for students who are gifted and talented, okay? So again, please email me, call me, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns about anything that's going on in our classroom, and I'm more than willing to help you. All right, have a great evening.